To renew your hosting or domains, first of all, open your hosting dashboard. On the sidebar, you will see the billing option. Click on it. Here, all your active subscriptions will be visible, including all the domains and hosting plans you have purchased. Next to each domain and hosting plan, you will see the expiry date. You will also see an option for auto renew. If auto renew is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Next, you will see the price for each domain or hosting plan. If you want to renew for another 12 months, simply click the arrow next to renew for the domain you want to renew. Once you click, all the details of the domain will open, including its expiry date and the price. As mentioned, the price may appear higher because it's shown the 24 months billing period. To change this, scroll down and find the billing period option. Click on it and you can easily select the desired period. After selecting the period, you want to click OK. You will notice that the price automatically updates according to the new billing period. Finally, click renew and complete the payment using your preferred payment method. So that's it. This way you can easily renew any hosting plan or domain directly from your dashboard. I hope this video was helpful and easy to follow.